So I did try to do a little video of doing the brake line repair while I was doing the work, but it was a nightmare. You need about 12 hands. So I just thought I'd do a quick rundown of what I actually did. So firstly, I found more damage than I'd expected. So I'll show you a little clip of that in a second. So here's the damaged parts of the pipe. Not really sure how my brakes worked. Certainly the backs went all through the Alps like that. I reckon I did 4,000 miles. Crazy. I've just slid on one of these fittings, half of it on here, and I've just got this on the bench, and I'm just having my first go at flaring the end. So we'll find out in a second if it works. So here's my first go at doing one of these fittings. As you can see, there'll be two flat fittings like that, and then it's screwed together with the other half on the other side, and I guess flattens those two together and makes hopefully a good seal. But secondly, to make it a bit easier, I did manage to get access through the rear driver's side wheel arch, so you can just see the new copper pipe there. So it's nice and fiddly trying to get that in and out, drilling out rivets, putting in new rivets all around that diff area. You can see it goes down there and then into the transmission tunnel. Just see it there going down. And then if I just get underneath from here, what I basically did in the end, I had no choice really, because the pipe's so long, I had to cut it in two and make two halves. So I didn't really want to have a join, but I do now have one join there, which I'm happy with. I can tighten it up easily if need be. I can see if it's leaking or not, but it should be fine. It's a proper pipe joint, and modern cars are made up in sections, aren't they? So I don't see a reason why this can't have one join between the front and the back. And also, if it gets damaged again, it means I can just replace the front half. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Not too bad after all. So I've just got to bleed the brakes now, and well, I'll do a few more jobs before I can test it all, but yeah, fingers crossed it's all good.